The first in line is a diamond disc for working with stone, brick, and granite. Let's install it. And we launch our tool. We check on the brick. The disc easily grinds the brick. And the cut remains smooth and almost smooth. Let's move on to granite. The disc also copes with it with the bang. You don't even need to make much effort. Excellent. Now we will test a special disc for cutting ceramics, ultra-thin diamond coating, which we will now test in action. We take a ceramic tile and proceed. The disc easily cuts through it. The movements are smooth and everything's ready in seconds. Not bad. The following disc is suitable for both cutting and grinding thanks to the electrogalvanic coating method. As you can see, he copes with cutting perfectly. And grinding is no worse. The perfect cut. Next, we have a universal diamond disc. With a vacuum brace saw blade. It smoothly cuts the tile. While it easily copes with wood. A plastic pipe is nothing to it. And as for steel, he even copes with it in a matter of seconds. Cool. All done. The following disc is suitable for grinding metals. Let's install it and test it. Look at these teeth. Let's try to clean this bar from rust. It is enough to walk just a couple of times on the surface and the metal is just like new. I like it. Great drive. Let's check the most common disc for metal. Metal cutting and grinding disc. Look at how many sparks erupt during the cutting process. In fact, it looks very beautiful. And what a slice after this disc. It's time to try a special disc for working with trees. It has as many as 14 teeth around the perimeter. We will fix the wooden bar and check. Unbelievable! It's like a hot knife cutting through butter, which also leaves a good cut and is easy to manage. Good work. And our next disc is designed for wood carving, so it has as many as 6 convex teeth. Let's check it out in practice. Under its influence, the tree is very malleable. It's amazing. You can really cut out any shape. This universal disc is suitable for both cutting and grinding. Pay attention to these 3 recesses. In them lies its secret. In a fraction of a second, it cuts through the tree. Wow, it's well controlled. And what a smooth cut. Another disc for processing tree. It's convex and studded with spikes like this. Look at it work. Light and smooth movements and perfectly smooth grinding. What else do you need? An unusual but very high quality disc. Pretty good. But this disc is even more unusual. It somewhat resembles a shuriken, but we would not throw it. To work with this disc, you will need a special adapter and mount. Let's see if it's worth it. A wooden block literally disappears under the influence of our disc. That's what you need. The next disc is coated with wool, suitable for grinding metal. So we will take a steel pipe and check. But before that, we will apply a special paste. Just look at it. Before our eyes, an old pipe turns into completely new, smooth, shiny pipe. It is even better seen in a direct comparison. And now we have several discs at once. Let's see what they're capable of. Different degree of density and pattern. To install them, you will need to crank out a few tricky manipulations. When the disc itself is installed, we simply attach the necessary nozzle to it. We'll press it tightly for reliability. Now, moisten the tile with a little ordinary water and you can get to work. We move smoothly along the wetted surface, trying to make the grinding uniform. You can also use other nozzles with varying degrees of granularity for more pronounced or, more conversely, a softer effect. We finish the work, remove the remaining water from the surface, and just look at how smooth the tile has become. And here are all the discs today. Which one did you like the most? Which one would you like to have in your work? Share it in the comments.